spying on the hot construction workers. There's more up there.
Sometimes when I'm at this hotel, I get a better view.
Well,
But then when you're on the strip side,
it's noisy on the strip side.
well, it's only noisy on the nights when the club is open, and then the music is just pulsing till 4 a.m.
Wah 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 wah
So
wah wah.
I was from. Oh, they moved the picture. They were showing Good Morning America outside at Times Square. I was like a block from there. My hotel was.
Nice. What's that guy in the truck doing? What is on those thingies? Looks like glass, maybe. No? I'm not sure what's on that truck. I feel like a spy. There's still that one guy. There's the Ferris wheel I was on.